When people go shopping for a portable generator, they often ask questions about which model they need because there are some important differences in generators designed for commercial use versus residential use. Now, most often in residential applications, generators are used for emergency backup to power select appliances within the home. Ideally, the home would have a manual or automatic transfer switch added for convenience and safety. Otherwise, their use is sporadic for special recreational events like camping or tailgating. Now, typically, these units range from 1,000 to 8,000 watts of output. That output is one of the most important features to residential consumers, along with the outlet configuration, noise level, ease of use, and price. In a commercial application, a portable generator is most often used to run power tools on job sites where electricity isn't available, so power cords are more likely to be used than a transfer switch. These units also tend to get more use throughout the year and range in output from 3,000 to 17,500 watts. Because of the heavy workload commercial users put on their generators, they're most concerned with output, durability, reliability, and ease of maintenance. And since they tend to run the units for longer periods of time, they usually want a larger fuel tank to minimize downtime.